What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Fatkat, of course, man, bringing you another video. Hey man, let's get straight into it. As you can see, we have the charger obviously back there, my Scat pack, and I am dropping it off today at Unique Rides, man. Finally, the day is here. I got back today. Literally, I just got off the plane, went home, got my car, and brought it back this way, man. They over here moving around cars and all that. Anyway, man, so yeah, so for sure, man, so I'm over here at Unique Rides, bro. I'm about to drop off my car so they could do a couple things. I'm still not going to tell you what I'm actually going to get because it's a secret, man. But letting you know, there's about 2 or 3 different things that they're going to be doing to the car. So when it's all said and done, man, it should be good, man. But anyway, real quick, man, let me show you guys around the shop, man, some of the projects they got going on. Yeah, man, so these dudes do a lot of good work, man. They actually just opened up not too long ago, man. The owner, Gabe, he actually used to work somewhere else, but you know, I never ever went to that place, man. But you know, every time you ever hear about that place, man, all you hear is his name, because he was the manager there. But I knew my boy, man. He used to always work with him, or he used to always go to him to get, you know, certain things or whatever. So you know, I was like, man, whenever I need to get something done in my car, I'm definitely going to him. So when I was that time, which is now, come to find out, he actually opened up his own shop, man, earlier in 2018, man. So he's doing big things, man. This place is always full, as you can see, man. They got a 458 in here. They got a F12. They got an Alfa Romero. I think last week or 2 weeks ago, they had a Urus, the Lamborghini Urus SUV in here, man. Doing big things. A lot of as a matter of fact, you know, I'm a Tampa, man. So a lot of his clients are basically like the Bucks football players and things like that, man, and then the Tampa Bay Rays, the you know, the baseball team. So a lot of them come here, man, and get this stuff done. So no other place to go, man. Like I said, like I told you guys before, man, I want everything to be 100% legit with this car, man. I don't want no, you know, nothing to be done cheaply or anything like that, man. I want everything to be 100% legit, basically. So of course, man, I had to bring it to him, make sure he put his blessing on it, and then we're gonna go from there, man. So that's it, man. Short little video, man. Show you guys that I'm back in town, but you can see I'm hot from that damn Dallas weather. I was cold, but now it's hot. It's about 80 degrees over here. So I got my long sleeve on, man, thinking, you know, leaving Dallas, but now I'm hot over here because, like I said, it's about 80 something degrees and crazy in Tampa. But anyway, so with that, man, cars got dropped off. He's going to get his blessings here in the next couple of days, and then of course, man, I'll show you guys when I pick it up. And I'm actually going to come back probably tomorrow, the next day, whatever, because you guys seen all that brake dust. I'm actually going to have him throw on the other brakes, the power stop brakes, being that he's already going to have basically the wheels off and everything else, you know, doing whatever he's doing. So I'm going to come back and, you know, do some updates or whatever, and also going to clean off my wheels front and back, make sure they go cleaned up real good, so that way when we throw them back on, you know, everything is good to go, man. So anyway, man, other than that, man, I appreciate you guys for checking in. As you know, of course, I'm your boy Fatkat, man. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys hit that notification bell, of course, because you don't want to miss the way this is going to turn out, man. Trust me, this thing is going to be nasty. It's going to be dope, man. So you guys want to make sure you guys stay tuned so you can watch or see everything that's going to happen, man. And on top of that, the rest of the progression, because right after I do this one, right after I get the car out of this shop, I'm going to go do the modifications for the 1,000 subscriber milestone. I'm going to do that literally probably the next day or the day after that, man. So you definitely want to make sure you tune in, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you guys can get all the updates, man. Other than that, man, it's your boy again, Fatkat, man. Until next time, man, like I always say, man, later.